Today we will prepare a delicious aguadito and get to work. We will use legs, previously cleaned necks, livers and hearts. Inside and outside, we will use chicken feet. We will cut the carrot. Hey, what are you doing? Don't make mischief. And cut the carrot into cubes. And we will use cilantro or cilantro. But are they different? This is the cilantro that some call. This gives it a very good smell and taste. And this one too, but the one here gives it a little more color. That's why we will combine the two. And we will cut the cilantro with everything in stems, which provides great flavor, and we will blend. The secret is to use spinach. This is a secret to give it a better color. But it's optional. It depends on each one, and we add it. And since we don't have garlic, we will use cayenne. We add a little water, and we will proceed to blend for a few minutes, and then reserve it, and we will cut a corn into slices. Special effects. Will you use magic? This time, I want to see it. Did you think we wouldn't notice? Wow, incredible. And after that magic, in a pot we will place 4 liters of water and our sliced corn and chopped carrot. We cover, and once it comes to a boil, we add the previously washed rice. We add salt, and after 4 to 6 minutes, we add all the giblets and peas. And after a few minutes, we add our potatoes, along with our cilantro smoothie, spinach and cayenne. We will proceed to cover, and on our lid we will place our oregano. After a few minutes, that soup should already be. This soup looks very delicious. Hey, what's wrong? Please don't go. And we add our oregano. Hey, hurry up, they're waiting for you. Let's serve. Dancing. Look how delicious it turned out. The potatoes, chicken legs, with their corn and all their broth. And obviously, their inevitable lemon and Peruvian ricotta. And don't forget to share the video, so that our Peruvian food reaches more places.